This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feelings. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So, don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video, cherries. Well, it's our bunny, Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So, don't take it to your kidneys and hearts. And have a good time. So everything has a word versus which is said by you are fake? Your eyes are betraying again. The fresh tears which are holding millions of emotions, flowing like a river which are unable to stop. You finally used me? You never give me a chance? You went to your cabin while wiping your tears. Taeyong, what the heck are you saying? Are you even in your senses? Jungkook, yes I am hung. Taeyong, Jungkook, I know what she did to you and how she insulted you and used you. But you are doing same like her? He said, and Jungkook got up from the chair and he shouted, Jungkook, then what should I do? I'm falling for her again. Taeyong, it's good for you all. You both deserve happy ending, not a sad one. She changed, Jungkook. Jungkook, I know, hung, she changed. I'm starting to fall for her. That is the reason I planned revenge on her. It was not my plan because I thought that I will never fall in love with her. Han won't like it. And if she will get to know about it, she will leave me. He said, and scoff left from his mouth. Taeyong never thought that he would hurt himself and you for a silly reason. Taeyong, Han also wants you to be happy, Jungkook. I know you are scared and insecure, but she did the mistake in the past, not now. Jungkook, I gave her a chance, huh? But what if she will cheat on me again? Do you think my heart can handle it? I will die with so much pain once she left me. I don't know how I stayed without her by my side. I love her so much, but what she did to me, she stabbed me. I can't forget the betrayal, huh? I know she also suffered a lot. He said, and a lone tear escaped from his eye, which made Taeyong sad. So he instantly hugged him, because he was looking mess and he can't understand what he is doing. Taeyong, I know about you, and I know you are not a person who takes revenge on others, even they hurt you most. You told that you gave it a chance, right? So stand by it and stop telling me that it was fake because you can't lie to me. He said, and Jungkook sniffed his tears, then he nodded his head. Jungkook, only you understand me, huh? And what I told you is lie. Because my heart wants to give her a chance, so I gave her a chance. My brain is continuously saying that she will betray me again. So I told the lie to you. I will never play with her feelings. I can't take revenge on her. Because she was my first love. Even she hurted me, but I can't hurt her. She is hurt by my words. I have to stop it, huh? He said, and Taeyong patted his shoulder. Taeyong, and I know that what you said is lie. Because I know, and don't worry, everything will be alright. We both faced a lot without being each other by side. We both have son together, so keep that in your mind. He loves you so much and take care of him. He and Lily will suffer most when you both go far away from each other. He said, and Jungkook bobbed his head. Taeyong, never say that you are taking revenge or betraying, because you cannot do that. Jungkook, okay, huh? I'm sorry for lying to you. He said while hanging his head low. He felt ashamed by uttering those words. Taeyong, No need to be sorry. I understood that you are in different situation, that you are not understanding anything. I hope things between you both goes well and try to forget about the past. It gives nothing but abundance of pain of you. Jungle, okay huh. Thank you for never leaving my side and correcting my mistakes. He said, and Taeyong patted his shoulder. Taeyong, I know Bunny Man never does the mistake, and I will go now. He said, and Jungkook rolled his eyes when he heard Bunny Man from his mouth. Then Taeyong left the office. He started working again, and it is past 7 at night. So he packed everything and he came outside, but he did not saw you. So he thought that you are in bus stop.
जमाने में जब वफा निकला, मैं ढूंढने को जमाने में जब वफा निकला, पता चला कि गलत लेके मैं पता निकला, पता चला कि गलत लेके मैं पता निकला, मैं ढूंढने को जमाने में जब वफा निकला। सब कुछ छोड़ के आना तू, सावन आया है, तेरे और मेरे मिलने का मौसम आया है। सबसे छुपा के तुझे सीने से लगाना है, प्यार में तेरे हद से गुजर जाना है। इतना प्यार किसी पे पहली बार आया है।
फिलहाल तो यूं है कि कुछ कर नहीं सकते, तेरे बिन ही मरना होगा, साथ मर नहीं सकते। सूखे से पत्ते हैं एक टहनी पे लगे, किस्मत तो देखो कि झड़ नहीं सकते। फिलहाल तो यूं है कि कुछ कर
कुछ ऐसा कर कमा के तेरा हो जाऊं, कुछ ऐसा कर कमा के तेरा हो जाऊं। मैं किसी और का हूँ फिलहाल, मैं किसी और का हूँ फिलहाल के तेरा हो जाऊं। मैं किसी और का हूँ फिलहाल के तेरा हो जाऊं। ये गलती गलती है जो भी कर
कहने से सुनता भी तू है गल सुन गल सुन वे कमला आधा तेरा इश्क आधा मेरा ऐसे हो पूरा चंद्रमा ओ तारा तेरा एक तारा मेरा बाकी अंधेरा न तेरे संग लागे के धारे बहते हैं नजरे बचा के बदरंग में सतरंगा है इश्क रे जोगी में और गंगा है इश्क रे
ना जाने कैसा एहसास है बुझती नहीं है क्या प्यास है ना जाने कैसा एहसास है बुझती नहीं है क्या प्यास है क्या नशा इस प्यार का मुझ पे सनम छाने लगा कोई न जाने क्यों चैन होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है
मुझको घर देना आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे हैं ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला तू जो मिला
हौले हौले से आंखें रोने लगे, नींद न आई पर आंखें सोने लगे। You're the